I've got my solar pathway lights here. When you do receive them, you are going to get 12 of these, and so they come in two parts. We've got your upper part here with the solar head on here, the solar panel, and then you've got the stem. So when you receive the stem, it's going to be in two parts. Of course, this part here is going to be going into the ground. You push into the bottom like that, and this part here is going to connect to your light itself. Now, this right here is right around 7.5 inches. And so the total length of these is going to be right around 11, so just a little bit under 1 foot. We've got a large solar panel up here, so it takes right around 4 to 6 hours to charge on a sunny day, and the runtime is going to be right around 10 to 13 hours. But when you do receive these two, you need to go ahead and pull off the top just like that, and you're going to see this little piece of paper here. The batteries, the rechargeable batteries for the solar panels are actually inside there, so when you pull that out, now they're going to come on. That's the only way they're going to work. And then you put it back in, and then when the sun's out, the lights are going to go off, it's going to charge, and then when the sun goes down, of course it comes on. What I really love about these, and you're going to see this in the video, is that this is kind of a beveled edge all around here, and so it creates more like a starburst effect on the ground. It's nice, clean, white light. It looks very beautiful. I'm really surprised at the way it looks. It looks really nice. So these look great on any type of pathway, anywhere you want some accent lighting. Easy to put together. You get 12 of them, so you got a lot of places that you can put these into, but they really look really nice. And I hope you found this review helpful.